I'm acting old. Taking time.
I want to do that.
Why would you do that? Whoa, Dakota.
Come here, Dakota.
I ain't gonna say that I'm recording right now.
Dakota.
I'm recording this old folk here. Look at squinting his eyes.
Is he still on the ground right now?
Yeah, he's still on the ground rolling like a little baby.
Dakota, come here. It's time to have the talk.
Dakota, get up. This is so going on YouTube, and you sitting there rolling on the floor like a baby. Oh, that just went like, whoop, whoop, right over your head. What? No, it got food on it. Sit on right here.